Ever heard of a cosmic hiccup? Neutron stars, the densest objects in the universe, experience sudden shifts in rotation speed, known as glitches. Imagine compressing the mass of our sun into a sphere the size of a city. That's a neutron star. These glitches reveal profound insights into matter and gravity's role in the universe. Recent studies show that they occur when the star's superfluid core interacts with its crust, releasing energy. Science is still unraveling how these glitches affect our understanding of the universe's evolution. Could they hold secrets to dark matter or even gravitational waves? As we explore further, these cosmic mysteries continue to captivate our imagination. What's next in the universe waiting to be discovered?